Welcome, everybody. NHL action. Mike Brenner coming to you. Detroit Red Wings are taking on the Chicago Blackhawks. This is the backside of a home and home, and Chicago getting the win the other day in Detroit 5-2. So now Detroit goes into Chicago, who is 23-8-2 on their home ice. All right, that is absolutely dominant. So I don't know if Detroit's going to be able to get revenge in this game because Chicago still will be focused. Now Detroit is 4-6 in its last 10, so it's really kind of struggling, but so are the Blackhawks, 4-6 in its last 10. These are two teams that are really weak against the spread as well. Detroit's only 26-38 this year against the spread, while Chicago isn't cashing much tickets either at 29-37. So the game opened up Blackhawks -151, Detroit +149. I'm going to tell you, I like Chicago, and it's a little bit higher a number than I like at 151, but I think it's got good value, and that's liable to go down before they drop the puck. So cash an NHL ticket with the Chicago Blackhawks -151 on the money line with Mike Brenner. Don't miss it.